Hiya, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. Welcome to all my new subscribers. It's lovely having your company. I'm on today to set up my traveler's company passport size traveler's notebook. I did do a haul when I had received it. I'll leave the link in the description below for that video. But now I've decided to use it as my everyday carry. I used to carry this, was my purse, and I'd carried all my cards in there and stuff like that. I mean, it did hold a lot and it really worked for the time that was needed. But the fact of the matter is, it's run its course now. I do have some bits and pieces left in here that I don't need for now. I'm just going to leave them in here for now, and some old receipts that I'm going to tidy up later on. I used to carry a pen in here as well, and I don't need that anymore. What I want to do is carry this one, because when I travel, and when I mean travel, I don't mean like abroad or stuff like that. That is included as well. But when I'm around town and I'm moving around, I like to carry a crossbody handbag, and most of them cannot fit this. And if it does fit this, I can't fit my keys or my phone or anything. So that is why I really want to make this work as my everyday carry and my wallet as well. I do have a coin purse, which is this little one, the Longchamp, and I've got some cards in there that I need to take out and try and get them in here. When I purchased this, I did purchase this came with it, and this notebook as well came with it, right? And I thought I had ordered one of the plastic card holders from AliExpress when I ordered this, but I didn't order it. So I've got to get one in order for some of the cards to fit properly, especially the ones that I use on a regular basis. So what I need to do now is set it up as best as I possibly can and wait until I can get that plastic wallet for the cards. I did actually make another insert because this one is every day. This one is a weekly one. I did purchase this insert on Etsy from an Etsy seller, and even though I did print them out perfectly, I cut them down really badly. But I am not wasting any of this paper. It's only to write on and use as a function weekly planner. So that's what I'm using it for. I'm going to put the cover on. I don't know whether I should use my staple. It might be a little bit too thick for the staple. So I'm thinking whether I should sew it. I think I will sew it. But it's perfect, the same size, and I'm happy with that. Those will fit in nicely. Let me get this set up. I like the pink. I'm thinking whether I should do the pink and just be so extra. I'm just extra. Yes, I am. 2, 3, 4. I can't help it. I am so extra. I think the pink will look nice anyway. I'll use pink. We were supposed to have really bad storms, but it did seem to come through to London just a little bit. Haven't had any disasters in London with it, but in Scotland and Ireland it was really bad. I did try to cut them straighter, but there's no point me cutting any more off, because it's actually, it can. Yeah. That's it. Side. Now this is going to come in really handy. Let's put two. I really want it to come out straight, so yeah. Okay, let's get this sewn in then, shall we? Let's start in the middle. I really cannot afford the traveler's notebooks. I can't afford them. They're just really too expensive for me. I just can't do it. Oops. So I've really got to improvise and just do what I can, you know. I'll just put that in here. Okay, one more. Let's do one more knot. Yeah, I would love to be able to purchase the books, but I just can't. So this is 6 months worth, and I will do another 6 months when necessary. So that is that. Another thing is the connecting bands. Now, I was checking the reviews for the, I think it's the Midori connecting bands, and the reviews were good, not so good, and in between. The majority of the reviews mentioned that they were mere elastic bands, and for the price was just not worth it. I did read a couple of reviews, said it took really long to come because they were coming from Japan, and when they did receive them, they started to use one of them and it just snapped. So I decided to use some of my elastic cord to do a connecting band, because I think that would work, and or an elastic band, because this is how they are, the Midori connecting bands are exactly like this. So I was thinking of using the connecting band for these 2 books. I put it like that and just straighten the elastic. I can use it like that, or I can use, but what I want to do is use the elastic for a while and see how that goes. Then if it's not up to scratch, then I will use some of my cord, my elastic cord. This is a nice thick one. I think this is 2 millimeters, I think. I think I've got a slightly thicker one as well. I'm going to use the elastic and see how I go with it and take it from there, because I just think, you know, if you can improvise, why not? The Midori connecting bands that I've seen on Amazon, there is only one seller on there that I've seen with the Midori connecting bands, and we've got to be so careful because it can tear your inserts. The original connecting bands can as well. That's what I read on the reviews. Yeah, so there's only one seller on Amazon that does the connecting bands, the Midori connecting bands, and they were £15 for 4, 2 blacks and 2 browns, I do believe. Yeah, so I'm gonna put these in the big one, and that should work fine. Goes in the middle there. I'm going to put this here. I think I'll put this one here, and I'm going to put the purse, the wallet in as well, like this for now. And let's see how that, there's not really overhang, not much overhang, is there? That looks good. I'm going to get the plastic folder for the cards. I want to use this as well. Hang on, let me just cover up my over 60 travel card and my driving license. Hang on, let me just hide them. Oh dear. I'll get a bigger sheet because I don't want any. information showing. It's my driving license there, and my 60 plus travel card. I'm just hiding it with my cash withdrawal card that I take to the bank or the post office when I'm doing my savings challenges. Yeah, cover it all down. Right, so my 60 plus travel is here, and my driving license is here, and I've got a couple of cards. My charity shop when I donate card. I've got my IKEA card in here, my discount IKEA card, and I've got my library card, and my craft discount card in here as well. And I really wanted to put this somewhere, like maybe perhaps could put it here if I wanted to, but then I need another band. See, I don't mind the different colors, doesn't mean anything to me having the odd colors. They're there to be used and I'm using them. Let's see if we can do this one. See, I don't mind a little bit of the overhang, it doesn't bother me. That looks good. And this will fit nicely into my crossbody bags when I have to go out and stuff, because that's what I usually carry. And this can sling in there as well. The notebook and the weekly really fits in nicely. I can actually trim these down, but I don't want to lose any more. I can actually trim a little bit more down, but you know what, I'm really not worried. I'm really not worried about it. I like it the way it is. Put that bookmark there. There we go. That's fine the way it is. Yeah, so I will be checking some videos to see how to put them together, the inserts, so that I don't have a major overhang. I'm gonna get myself the plastic wallet for the cards. I'm also going to get a pen holder. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back really, really soon. Bye for now.